Hi everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts. For this project, which is also going to be a Valentine's project, I am using one of these 4x4 photo frames. It's one of those frames where the glass sandwiches in whatever you want to put in it. So I am going to take this apart and take both pieces of glass out and take some glass cleaner first of all and get them nice and clean. Okay, now that I have the glass clean, I am going to take this window cling that I got at Dollar Tree. This is the first time I've ever seen these nice window clings at my Dollar Tree, so I was super excited when I went to the store the other day and I found them. So I am actually going to use this sticker right in the middle, or this window cling, and I am going to put it centered as good as possible on my glass. Okay, there is no need whatsoever to glue this down because the two pieces of glass are going to sandwich this right in there. And this is going to go back in my frame. This is going to be a pretty simple project. So I'll stick that back in there and then put your little clamps down here. There. That actually looks pretty cute just by itself, but I am going to dress it up a little bit. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this burlap ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to put this onto my frame. So I'm just going to put some random glue in spots, and I am going to get this ribbon surrounding my whole frame. Okay, now that that's all done, I have some of this ribbon that I got, this jute ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a messy bow on top here. So I'm probably going to go about yay long. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull the wire out of the sides of these. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, you just got to push it down a little bit and then pull it out. And that wire I'm going to take right out of there. I don't want that in there. So I'm going to cut, I think, about 4 strips of this. And I'm going to do 2 of each color and take the wires out of it. Okay, I have my ribbon all cut. And what I did was I dovetailed the ends and then I used the 2 colors and I just did one, or I can't even talk tonight. I just put them opposite. So the tan, the pink, the tan, the pink. And I am not going to cross these. I am going to keep them just like this going straight across. I'm going to cut off some of my jute here. And I am going to just grab this and then I'm going to scrunch it right in the middle. And then I'm going to wrap the jute around it a couple times. So I actually want mine to look just like that so you can see all the colors. So let me see if I got that about, that's about in the middle. All right, so I am just gonna tie this a couple times around. And then I'm gonna actually just take a little bit of hot glue here. I'm gonna chop this end off and then I'm going to take the rest of the jute here and I'm going to wind it around, tucking that little tail in. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to have to cut it off. I went a little too short on there. And then I am going to hot glue this together. Alright, and I want to make sure my little tails aren't sticking out. And then this bow is going to go right across the top of my project here. See, I don't want to take, I didn't want it all messy because I still want to be able to see the heart. I didn't want to take away from that at all. So I am just going to center this on my frame here. A little hot glue. I'm going to stick that right on here. All right, I have my bow all on there and it's just where I want it now. I might just stick a little glue here to kind of fan these up a little bit. Otherwise, I think it looks fine just the way it is. But the last thing I want to do is, this stand is very tippy. So I painted these tumbling tower blocks, this ink color, my Waverly chalk paint. And I'm going to just make little stands with these to keep my frame up, because it's like, if you look, it's like kind of indents in there and it just is not standing up. So I think what I'm going to do is I kind of want them to, you know, I want it to look nice. So I think I'm going to turn them on the sides like this and then hot glue them onto there. I think that's going to look nice like that. So I am just going to eyeball this up and hopefully it works out. Stick a little hot glue on there and stick my block on. And I'm going to do the same, hopefully about the same spot on the other side. And just stick it on there. Hope that's pretty centered. Might be off a little bit. But yeah, I think that really makes it. I think it looks nicer too that way. So that is all I have for this one. Super easy. I hope you stuck around to the end. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.